Hello Golden Valley, Mr. Sargent here. Thank you for checking in. As usual, we've got a Google form for you today. Go ahead and fill it out. It'll be due by the end of the week. Now I've been reading some of the comments that a lot of you have been making in these Google forms about Lucha Cougar and Mr. Sargent, and some people suggest that Lucha Cougar and Mr. Sargent is the same person, like it's me dressing up in as a wrestler or something. And I think, why? Why would that be me? Why would I do that to my hair? I mean, I liked my hair so much. I know I was wearing a clip in it, but there's no reason for that to be me. So cray cray. Anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to calculate the volume of a pyramid. Now hopefully you can see I have a pyramid up here. We're trying to keep it as simple as possible. The formula for volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base times height. And as previously was discussed, capital B stands for area of the base. So this base is a square, so it's basically length times width. And fortunately for us, we're going to every base is going to be a square, so there's not a lot of confusion here. So we've got a length and the width should be the same. The height is this value that runs down the center of the pyramid. It's not on the face of the pyramid, but it goes through the center of the pyramid. So for our formula, we're just going to write 1/3 open parenthesis for each value. So our values are going to be length, width, and height. Let's give it a better W. There we go. All right, so the length in this case is 4. The width is 4. And the height is 10. Now from here, the calculator will do most of the work for you. And if you're not sure how to manage this 1/3, I recommend you leave the 1/3 for now. You press 4 times 4 times 10, and you get 160. Then what you press in the calculator is you're going to press 160 divided by 3. That's how we manage this 1/3. You round it to the nearest tenth, and you get 53.3. It should be units cubed. However, the Google form won't accept the cubed units, so you can just enter 53.3. It's difficult to imagine the leaders of this country right now, all of these old people. It's hard to imagine them being teenagers in a high school classroom, but one day they were teenagers in a high school classroom. So that means that right now, there are teenagers who will be leaders one day. Now, old people don't have new ideas, but young people do have new ideas. Here's a Lego and a Lego. My son is 6.5 years old. He'll be 7 soon. Most people know how to put Legos together just like this. And my son, he knows how to put them together just like this. But the other day, he was building. And he did something that nobody taught him, and he didn't know he could do until he tried. He actually put the Legos together by wedging one inside of the other one. This is something that I didn't know could be done. This is something was not taught. Old people like me, we don't have new ideas. We do the same things over and over again that we were just told to do. Young people have new ideas. And with new ideas, you can come up with new solutions. And those people who are teenagers right now, you're going to have to come up with new solutions to the problems that we live with in the world today. So be a thinker, come up with new solutions.